the Sajjal sisters.
Alright, let's not waste any time at all and get started on our today's unboxing. This is a remote control model car. This is totally red and black.
Yeah.
The box says 124 scale control car to rank first among similar products. This is really sweet.
Sweet.
I love it. These are the instructions. Here we're gonna insert the batteries, and here we're gonna insert the batteries of the remote. Not suitable for babies under 3 years.
Yes,
Let's
so-
get opening. I'm opening. Okay, you go ahead and open. Okay, pull out the car. Oh, careful about the wires. Not to break them. Ooh,
Ew,
what's
what
stuck
you
in the
guys
car?
doing in the car?
Alright. This is a
Just like
super cool
this,
remote. Look at the super cool remote, you guys. This has 2 buttons. Tick, 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 tick. I think, yeah. Here it has arrows on them. This is the front button and this is the reverse car button. Let's get playing.
Wait, see the car too. It has these cool details all around it.
This is so cool, and with these two wires, they will be able to communicate. You know, signals. Yeah. All right. This set does not include any batteries, so we brought our own. Let's get put in. Okay, this remote slides open, and here's this little compartment to add the batteries in. Alright, so the battery cell is inserted now. Boop. Alright. Have you inserted the cell and batteries in the car?
Yeah. And there's an on-off button here. You have to turn it on.
Ooh. Okay, put this car in one place. And let's show these people how. Alright. Okay, let's use it. First of all, reverse it. Look at that, you guys. Woo! All the way in.
Okay, now stop this. It's really cool.
How did you like our car?
Wait, I was doing something cool. It's so okay.
Super cool, isn't it, you guys?
It is. Well, guys, it's time to go.
So, we're the Sajjal sisters logging out. Don't forget to share our video, like our video, and subscribe to our channel.